Assalamu alaikum children. Today we will start doing exercise 5B, question number 3. So first you have to mark your attendance in your chat and don't discuss with each other. Just listen to my lecture first. If I find anyone talking to each other, we'll note your names and send your names to the headmistress and principal. These are the strict orders. Stay quiet in the class and listen to the lecture carefully. And afterward, I'll upload these lectures on YouTube. You can revise all the lectures again and again. So first listen to me. And this is question number 3, exercise 5B. Mark your attendance in your chat and that's it. And come with me. Be in my class and listen carefully. The sum of two integers is 1 minus 129. If one of them is 150, find the other. This is the problem sum, exercise 5B of integers. Chapter is 5. So the sum of two integers is minus 129. So you have to write down the data or given first. So sum of two integers is or is equal to minus 129. One integer is 150. Find the other, maybe x. So you will denote the other integer with x. So now you have to make the statement for the question. So if two integers are there, let the integers are, you will suppose your integers as variables x and y. So you can now sum of two integers means you are going to add x plus y, which gives you minus 129 as sum. Now you know that one of the integer has got value 150. Suppose it is y. The other integer is x. I've told you in the beginning, when we are going to write down the data, we will suppose one is x and the other integer is y. Two integers are there. If you don't know the value of x, y is given in the question 150. Put the value of y in the statement and sum of both is minus 129. Now, change the sign of this integer. Plus 150 will move 150 towards the right hand side by the same quantity, negative quantity. So it means you are going to add minus 150 to both the sides, and from the left hand side you will remove 150. So bring it towards the right hand side by subtracting it from both the sides. Now your equation becomes, I'm going to solve here, x is equal to minus 129 minus 150. Now look children, x will be equal to, you will do the rough work as I am doing, minus 129 minus 150 gives you same signs. You have to do addition. We did in integers. You know the multiplication of signs. So 9, 7, and 2. And the greater figure is 150. The absolute value, the greater absolute value is 150. Its sign is negative. So minus 279 is your answer, because you will put the sign of greater absolute value with the answer. We'll do the function which you get after multiplication both the signs. So you added both the quantities, and minus 279 is your answer. So the value of x is this. You can say this is the problem solved. Write down the statement that the other integer is minus 279. You can check your answer. This is the answer to the third part question. Do the question like this. Write down the statements, because this is a problem sum. By writing down all the statements, sum of two integers which is given in the book is minus 129. One of the integer is given, which has got the value 150. You have to find out the other integer. You express the other integer with x, the variable. Then you make the you will make the equation for the given problem. So the problem is saying that the sum of two integers. Sum means you have to add. So you are going to add two integers. You don't know the value of one of the integer. So x plus y, by adding x plus y, you will get minus 129 as your value. So if one of the integer is given to you, 150, its value is given to you. So x is not given to you. The value of x is unknown. X plus the one integer 150 gives you minus 129. This is the statement you have made by yourself by the given words of the problem. Then to move 150 for the solution towards the right hand side, you have to cross it with the opposite sign. Plus 150 is given. You have to make it 0 by doing minus 50, by doing the addition of minus 50 with it. So you will add 150 to the right hand side also. So whenever in an equation which has got an equality sign, you will, when you have to add or subtract some quantity, you will do the function towards both the side of equation, towards the left hand side and towards the right hand side. So you are here, you are going to subtract 150 from the left hand side. So you will do the same towards the right hand side. So by dividing, you get the answer, the value of x for the sum of two integers, which are minus 129. You can check your answer by putting this value of x in the same equation. You will get as the sum minus 129. Now we will solve the next question of the same exercise. Question number 4. The sum of two integers is 52. Now same is the question. Here sum, I'm going to write down the given first. Write down the question by yourself. Sum of two integers is 52. If one of them is minus 18, so say first integer is minus 18. You have to find out the second integer. which may be x. Now make the equation sum of two integers mean x plus y you are adding to equals 52. By putting the value of y in the equation plus minus 18 equals 52. X minus 18 equals 52. Now move minus 18 towards the right hand side by adding minus 18, the same quantity, to bring it to the right hand side. So minus 18 plus 18 gives you 0, means you bring the equation, you bring the number towards the right hand side with opposite sign. When minus 18 is there, you will say towards the right hand side, it will become plus 18. Okay. X is equal to 52 plus 18. Solve by doing the rough work. 52 and 18 both are positive quantities. So same signs, addition, 70. The greater figure is positive. So your answer is positive here. X is 70. So you can say the other integer is 70. Answer. Question number 4, exercise 5B. Today is 24 and 2021. Write down all the headings and the question. Do the rough work as well. This is the answer by given and all the statements. Okay, children. Now we will solve the next question. Get ready for that. Question number 5. And the question is saying the product of two integers is minus 160. Product means now you will multiply both the integers and their product is minus 160. So I'm going to do the answer for you people. Write down the given first. So product of two integers is minus 160. If one of them is 8, say x is 8 and the other is unknown, y is question mark. This is the given. Now make the equation product means you have to multiply. Now x multiplied by y gives you minus 160. By putting the value of x in the same equation, first you have to make the equation, make sure that you are going to write down the given of the question. By this you will know what is known to you and what you have to find out. Then make the equation from the given words of your problem sum. So this is the equation. You know the value of x, put the value of x in the equation and you will find out y by the known quantities. Now, when you multiply 8 with y to bring 8 towards the right hand side, you have to do the division of 8y by 8. You will shift it towards the right hand side. So 8 ones are 8. Y is left with you. And now here, towards the right hand side, you can divide 160 by 8. 8 1 is 8, 2s are 16, and 0. Negative sign is there, so minus 20. Your answer is the other integer is minus 20, because plus minus is minus. When you divide or multiply, you will put the sign which you get after multiplication of both the quantities or after division of both the quantities. So you divided 160 by 8 and signs are opposites. Opposite signs, subtraction. Same signs, addition with the answer. So when you have got opposite signs with both the quantities, you will add negative sign to the answer as I did. Minus 20 is your answer. Y is minus 20.